Hello everyone, I'm making a video about the price action candlestick pattern and financial markets here. Well, just want to start the video and the opportunity to present itself. And well, before I explain that opportunity, I'm quickly mentioning it's about, right? This classic indicator that everyone already knows. Many people like this indicator. The time frame is 30 seconds for financial markets. Entries are generally generated in candlesticks pattern. So let's show that for you. And here we have the Megan given partner. The price is in an uptrend, and the price is giving an entry when it touches like this with an upward mark. Okay, the next one was a red Sierra, and that trend is correct, and so on. Okay, so let's wait for that closing, even that's entry. And look at this, guys, we got a win on that, and the first we got a $4, and that's a win. Of course, we can always trade it against this to be out, but have to be very patient because you have to see what points you are going to enter. But really, when you trade with the trend, it's clear that this can generate an entry. It won't be the ideal entry. Okay, give me the lag, guys. Even though this payout is good, 78 is still profit for me. I'm going to look for another entry. When I have it, I will take and explain it to you. So the right here we got 1 minute. The expiration time is going to look for a touchstone candlesticks partner. That is this condition. Okay, here I'll try something different. Look on that, so you have GPY. Does that lower the delivery? You didn't say that trend against the trend could cause you to lose the trade, guys. All right, but anyway, the criteria right here, right now, didn't say that trends against this. I have to wait for the Stochastic oscillator with the point on 8. Just cross on that, but it's showing for you right now 8 for 20. All right, when you're gonna use with that configuration, and that's this settings about that. It's run out and maybe up. It's not that is up. You don't have to wait for it to run out. That is for the starting point below for the entry to be considered as positive. All the risk you have to look carefully. All right, not the entry point, but at the time that the candle is generated. Let's see if they haven't gained a position on that. Look at that. Whoa, man, look at this. We got a one again. A second position, and could wait for an entry. No, let's try to do this right now. $74 in the total. Okay, the candlesticks pattern is already forming an afterward, and there's already the clear win in favor of the trend occurs. What's more, it's easier to win. Not as against this. It's very complicated. We got this point, okay? So that says that we have to pay attention. Look at that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. We have the lowest point and the highest point, and now get a revert on that. Okay? Let's wait to see, guys. Look, possible entry. On that is higher one. Okay, so it's work for me. We can try to do that. We have a partner on that. Okay, but I need to confirm that. It doesn't confirm it's centered. That's a bearish continuation. Why don't it go short? Because I'm very low and it's could rebound from here. We also have to look at the zones, no problem. No enter another entry and get it. I will take and explain it. Okay, look at here. It seems that on that AUD got this. The curvature right here. It's a little downtrend. The price has been falling for a while, and we got a confirmation on that. Okay, nothing's happening so far, so we got that. And since much shorter season, it's looked like the bearish channel. Of course, it's a long-term trend. Come on, baby. All right. It's a bullish. I'm waiting for that. Okay, I'll wait for the partner just confirmation for us. We're gonna use all the amount for that. 1 minute expiration time, expectation. All right, we gotta revert this again. Okay, that's pretty good, guys. We can use that. So 5 seconds for that. We're gonna use the buy button again. Just respect that, baby. Come on. All right, guys, look at that. I mean, it need more. And I guess it exceeded the highs here. The price indicator that can enter on that. When here I see it, I mean the entry is happening or being produced by the candlestick's partner. I'm going to try to do one for you and see that the price here's measure one. It doesn't go to past 2, it doesn't go to past 3, and look at the partner. It's like hammer plus an envelope. And seeing that the trend is bullish and seeing that stuff is support, well, look at that, 25 seconds when got in on that. Right, again, the entry for retracement. That's it, guys. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Just confirmation right here on the Stochastic oscillator, just getting up. Let's wait for that. That's pretty good. Come on. The price is between the candles is mine that so much. So gotta win on that, man. Position 1. I have another win, $131, guys. In the words, an applied base concept is using Stochastic oscillator. So if you like the video, guys, please like the comments on this video. So I don't have to show the Stochastic slow for you, but I don't think I use 30 seconds temporary. Of course, I have to be patient because I'm not going in here on the rise. I would have one here anyway, right? But just imagine that I feel like it's going on in the rise because it's green. And I lose the trade and up in the red, right? It's 1 minute. I see the liquidity. I go in another almost to take one. This is giving me confirmation. I raise my count for 33 to 132. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I invite you to watch more videos on the channel. There are many videos that many strategies can work. If you didn't like this one and understand it, there's another that will because you won't understand all of them. The idea is that you adapt to one you want. You see the channel daily live stream and have a great day until the next video, guys. Thanks so much for that. Subscribe and share the link with your friends. Bye-bye.